snap or a jerk so that the coin will be thrown into the sleeve. You drop your hand down and the coin will drop into your hand and hold it there secretly. You pretend, the other hand pretends to catch an invisible coin floating somewhere in front of you. You look at it, and you look at it, you're actually dropping the coin into the palm like that. Then pretend to look at it and act surprised. You have to throw the coin in the air like that, so that you can catch it like this with a slap. That will be your excuse or your motivation to bring your fist up doing like this. Because what you're actually doing is that you have your fingers pushing the coin into the base of the hand like this. And when you lift the hand like that, the coin will slide to this part of the wrist and will stay there balanced, and it will be invisible. It cannot be seen. It cannot be seen by the audience because their line of sight goes from here to here, and this is covered. You start with a palm half open, so they don't see it's empty. You pretend to pick up the coin, and that's when you open to make them see that it's empty, and they will think that you have a coin in your fingertips. Keeping your palm open like that, you pretend to catch a coin somewhere here, in mid-air. Shake it, shake it, shake it. You look at it. And then, in picking up the coin, you're actually turning your wrist so that the coin drops into this palm, like that. And then pretend to pick up the coin from here. Right, one more time. You start with putting a handkerchief in your pocket so that it stays open and ready to receive a coin that you will drop in there. Do the same technique of catching the coin by slapping it. Turn your wrist as you bring your hand up. Again, your fingers press the coin to make it rest on your wrist. Have your palm half open. Pretend to pick up a coin there and open the palm to show that it's empty. And with inertia, the coin will stay here on your wrist even if you turn your arm like that. As long as you do it quickly. Watch, the coin is here, but with this motion, I'm able to drop the coin into the pocket. See? There. Then when you bring your hand up again, pretending that the coin is still here, you look at it, join hands together and pretend to melt the coin. The coin is gripped between your thumb and your middle finger and your point finger on standby. Okay? As soon as the left hand covers the coin, the pointer finger goes into action, clips it, and puts it in a grip like this, which is called the JW grip. So in front, you cannot see a coin concealed here. Okay? One more time. Then drop this hand. The left hand pretends to melt the coin. When you raise this hand, you put the coin near the fingertips like that. Okay? And then curl the fingertips. So in front, it cannot be seen. This palm will look empty. Okay? And then you pretend to pick a coin in the air. Put it here. And then as you close this hand, the coin will automatically drop in between these two fingers, and you make it a bit upright so it looks like a coin is magically materialized between your fingers. You achieve the effect of silver coin to Chinese coin by using a coin shell. Okay, put the coin there. Show the other hand empty, place it there, And make sure when you close the hand, the shell is on the bottom and the Chinese coin is on top. So that when you put it on the other hand, the Chinese coin drops into the other hand and you palm the shell and you make the motion of waving, and that's when you drop this shell into your breast pocket. Okay, it's already there. Now the coin shell is something you can buy from your magic dealer. You can actually order them from Alibaba, AliExpress, Shopee, Lazada, or your local magic supplier. It's actually not expensive. It's very affordable, and you can have many uses for it. You start by putting the coin on the tip of your pointer finger, and you put your thumb on it like that. As soon as the other hand covers it, you will slide, the thumb will slide the coin to about the middle of the pointer finger, and then the middle finger will reach out under cover of the other hand, of course, to clip it there. So you end up with a coin clip between the pointer finger and the middle finger. Well, let's do it again. Okay, clip. Let's do it from this angle, the front. Now you draw the audience's attention to this hand so that they don't look too much at this hand, because sometimes you can flash the coin here, so be careful with that. So you open it slowly, reveal that it's empty. So you just tip it over with the fingers opening up to allow the coin to fall there. Even at normal speed, they will not see the coin coming from here. It will look like you just pointed at your palm and the coin magically appears there. As soon as the left hand covers the coin, the pointer finger reaches out like that. And just imagine the hand is there. Twist it and puts it in a grip like this. So let's do it again. Shot. Pretend that the coin is here. Pretend to melt the coin with your hand. It's gone. Okay, act surprised, and then look at this hand. Now, the coin is still here. Okay, so what you'll do is to make the tip of the middle finger join the tip of the thumb. Okay, now you look through here. Make sure you don't look at the coin. Okay, pretend that you're looking through the hole, so that they don't suspect that there's a coin hidden there. And then when your hand reaches out, do it fast and smoothly, and then push it. And when you push, you twist. So you hide the fact that it came from a grip like this. You hide it more by twisting the coin like that. This is a very deceptive way to create the illusion that you leave this coin in the other hand. You put the coin on the base of the pointer finger and the middle finger like this. The edge of the coin between the two fingers like that, okay? And you try to hit this part of the hand. The coin will roll just on top of the pinky, and then you raise it. Okay, close the hand. The brain, the eyes and the brain retains an image of the flash. You do that. After you lift your hand, they still retain the image. The mind still retains the image of the coin there. So it's good to have that flash there, that shine. When you drop your hand down, you secretly maneuver the coin into a finger palm like this. You just put this middle finger on the edge of the coin. Right there, and then and from this angle, the coin is completely hidden as long as you keep the coin parallel to the ground. Even at an angle like this, the hand will still look empty. So pretending that the coin is still in your left hand, you snap it, use a karate chop, 1, 2, 3. Now, it looks like both hands are empty. Okay. Now you put both hands together, right? Okay. And you roll the coin in this manner between the four fingers and you blow. So it looks like it appears magically from two empty hands. You put the coin on top of your thumb and you have the pointer finger pressing on it like this, okay? When you twist it on top of the other hand and you cover it with your hand, as soon as it's covered, the middle finger comes forward to conceal it. Okay, now when you do this, the coin will balance itself on the thumb, but make sure it's parallel to the ground, not twisted, not like that, because the best way to conceal it is to keep it parallel to the ground like that, and the pointer finger, the middle finger, on front there, so you cannot see it anymore. Okay. Okay. As the other hand comes to your ear, pretending to put the coin into your ear, you switch into the JW grip, which is like this. Okay. Right. So when you're pretending to push the coin into your ear, the other hand pretends to be reacting to the pain or the sensation of having a coin inserted into your brain, like that. Okay. A lot of acting is needed here, but don't overdo it. And then, as though we're acting to something inside your brain, shake your brain a bit.